When I started the chapter on herbology and genotherapy, some people text me and ask me to talk about herbs or Ganoderma. Many expect me to describe the herbs one after another. They think that when they learn the herbs, they will become herbalists. Nope. You will not become a herbalist when you study the herbs one by one. You will become a botanist, not a herbalist. When Plato taught the astronomy, he wanted his students to study mathematics. Many of them do not like this. They wonder, when observing the stars, why should you learn mathematics? But you need mathematics, to calculate the orbit of the planet. You need mathematics to calculate the position of the star at certain locations at certain times of the year. So, Plato has made a famous quote: "Those who study stars without mathematics will reincarnate into a bird." We are not too sure whether Plato believed in reincarnation or not, but you will not become an astronomer just by looking at the stars, that is for sure. So I imitate Plato and give you a piece of good advice. Those who study herbs without body system and diagnosis will become a butterfly. They're hopping from one herbs to the others. The best they will become is a herbal botanist. They will not become a herbalist. The reason is simple. If say you want to study a language, you need to learn how to construct a sentence, not study all the words in the dictionary. The herbal pharmacopoeia that describes the functions of each herbs is like the dictionary for the herbs. For you to check out the functionality of the herbs, just like a word, it can have many meanings. You do not memorize all the words and all its meaning, You should know how to construct a sentence at certain circumstances. To use the word correctly. Many herbs has a lot of functions. Like cinnamon alone easily have more than 20 functions. Are you going to memorize all the 20 functionality of cinnamon? Well, you can do so. Okay? But by the time you have studied into 50 herbs, you have well forgotten the functionality of cinnamon already. So you cannot become a herbalist by just studying the herbs one by one. Then how to study the herbs? I take genotherapy as an example. We are using Ganoderma as a main ingredient in this system. For the last at least 30 years, I am talking about genotherapy. But 99% of the times, I am talking about the body system and the 4 rules of genotherapy. Okay? And what are the reactions you may expect? I seldom talk about Ganoderma itself. Why is it so? Ganoderma contains more than 400 types of active ingredients. If I go through with one ingredient in each lecture, it needs 400 lectures, By the time you reach 30 ingredients, 50% of the students have left. When we reach 50 ingredients, 80% of the students will leave. By the time you reach 100 ingredients, almost all students leave you. Even if they stay, by the time you reach 30 ingredients, they have forgotten the first one already. No way you become a genotherapist by studying the ingredient of Ganoderma one by one. So the right way to study herbs and genotherapy is to study the body function and how the body malfunctions. What are the symptoms and signs of the body? Okay, the body is trying to talk to you every day, but he cannot speak English or Chinese, only through the symptoms. Then for the symptoms and reactions, you know what is wrong with the patient. Then you can advise him properly. When you study the symptoms and the reaction well, you become a good herbalist and genotherapist. In future, I shall introduce the word genotherapist and herbalist. It means the same things to us for us to use. Then to diagnose the system and reaction, you need to understand the function of the body and also some basic anatomy. So you should learn the hexagenous theory, the 6-session theory of therapy, to understand the body, to know what the external symptoms that reflect the internal problem. Then you can diagnose the patient well. Eventually, you can advise the right herbs, products, and etc. After this, I shall focus in explaining the hexagenous theory to you. And this is the only way, believe me, to train you to become a good herbalist or therapist. So see you next. Thank you. Bye-bye.